Alright, so to give us more about our Kiddie Olympics 2008, may we call on one of our operations manager for McDonald's Philippines. May we call on Ma'am Vanji de Guzman. Magandang umaga po, ma'am.
Morning. Thank you, Lee. Thank you, Boji. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I'm Vanji. Ako isa sa mga operations manager and would like to welcome you to McDonald's Kiddie Olympics. Clap naman dyan. Okay. So, I'm happy to inform you that this is the 4th time na nagki-Kiddie Olympics tayo. Brought to you by McDonald's. And for this year, ang pinili natin, Olympic theme. So, bakit Olympic? Kasi para sa amin, ang McDonald's Kiddie Crew ay mga champions na. Okay? So, palakpak ulit. Okay. So, siguro sa inyo, yung mga lalaban ng sa games mamaya, no? So, I'd just like to tell you na hindi importante ang manalo or matalo. Ang pinaka-importante dito, nag-try kayo, invest nyo, and of course, pinakita nyo ano ang spirit ng isang true champion. So with that, I would like to thank you for coming and good luck sa inyo lahat and have some fun. Thank you!
Thank you so much, Ma'am Vanji. Okay, Bonji.
Thank you po, Ma'am Banji, and good morning.
Yeah.
Ayan. Okay, may I please ask the Kiddie Olympian to stand up for our sportsmanship to be led by Virgilia.
Ano, Virginia? Okay. Raise your right hand like this. Yes. And follow Ate Virgilia, okay?
I, Virginia,
Hi, Erwin Rivera. Take your name.
I, Justin do solemnly swear
Do solemnly
Hawakan mo to,
swear
Be. Hawak mo siya, hawak mo.
to take part in the 2008 Kiddie Olympics,
to take part in the 2008 Kiddie Olympics
in the spirit of friendship,
in the spirit of friendship,
honor,
honor,
and
Borgs!
sportsmanship.
and sportsmanship.
Kamay mo ganun.
I will join the game,
Sige na.
I will join the game,
Ganun mo yung kamay mo.
promising to be friendly,
promising to be friendly,
respectful,
respectful,
and kind,
and kind,
and I will keep in mind
and I will keep in mind
that it is not about winning,
that it is not about winning,
but about trying my best
but about trying my best
and showing the spirit
and showing the spirit
of a true champion.
of a true champion. Wow! Palapakan naman dyan!
Virgilia, palapakan naman natin si Virgilia.
Thank you so much.
Mukhang talaga isa na silang Kiddie Olympics na sila.
Yes. Okay, kids, Mark, ready na ba kayo?
Ready na!
Ayan, ready na sila. Okay, before you proceed to your designated game area, tatawagin muna namin yung lahat na nasa relay. Taas ang kamay.
Taas ang kamay ng mga
Sino sa mga nasa relay? Ay, form one line here. Lahat ng relay dito sa front. And follow sinong team leader ng relay game. Dito tayo sa front. Lahat ng team game na relay dito sa front.
may request to team captain of relay. Assist naman yung mga kids natin yung maglalaro ng relay.
Relay muna.
Captains of relay.
Relay, okay na, relay.
Yan.
Check your sequence. Anong game kayo?
Relay, follow tayo dito. Ito na sa front. Please stay muna tayo dyan kasi susundin tayo ng ating mga team captain.
Relay.
Lahat po ng relay, punat po tayo.
Lahat ng relay dito. And follow Kuya Daniel.
Lahat po ng mga player ng relay,